Today I'm going to show you how to find books, in particular ebooks. To start, we begin at the library homepage, and then we go to the Research tab, and then Databases by Subject. One of these databases is an ebook collection from EBSCO. It is here under General Databases. It's not the only source of ebooks, but it is a reliable one. Now, if you've already watched my video about Academic Search Premier, you'll notice that this is set up in a very similar way, and that's because it's from the same company, EBSCO. So, to start, I'm going to use my same search term, and then just get started. Now, there are a lot fewer ebooks than there are articles, so you'll find that your number of search results is pretty short already. And another factor is that not all 583 of those books are going to be exactly relevant to your topic. So the relevance, notice it's sorted by relevance, will get thinner and thinner as we go on. So in some cases you might only find the first 5 books are really relevant to your topic. Just like in Academic Search Premier, we have all of these limiters, including subject, always a useful one. Let's take a look at the books themselves. You have the magnifying glass that gives you a little bit more information, including the abstract, which is a author-generated summary of the book, or publisher-generated sometimes, and this will give you a good sense of what's in the book. Another good way to get a sense of the contents is to go to the table of contents, which is, again, here on the main search page. So we can click on that plus and just see what all the chapters are. And that can help us decide whether or not this will be useful in our paper. So looking a little more closely at the bibliographic record itself, you'll see the book that you can browse. And by the way, you can also do Control F or Command F on a Mac to look for specific terms that, let's say you need a very specific quote on a very specific topic. You can search for that using Control F because this is a digital document. The old-fashioned way to do that is to check the index, and that can give you a list of key terms that again might direct you to quotes on a given page that might be what you need for that paragraph in your paper. Finally, the Cite button. So if you notice up here, you click on Cite, you get a properly formatted MLA citation for your Works Cited page that you can just copy and paste, so that you don't have to put in the effort to build that citation from scratch.